Hello friends, welcome back to another Stock Valley video. Today's topic is Visa stock. Before analyzing Visa today, let's first see what it has done in the past and how it has come to this point. As you can see, Visa stock has been in a steady upward trend. From time to time there have been sell-offs, but the stock has kept moving upward. For example, on December 21, 2018, there was a pullback of about 20%. Then during the pandemic, the stock dropped from around $213 all the way down to $134. After that, it continued its path with small corrections. Here you can see a clear pullback, followed by a slight sideways movement. That pullback was about 25%, and after consolidating, the stock slowly continued upward. Now let's come to the present and see what is happening with Visa. From what I see on the chart, Visa doesn't do many buybacks. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the latest top, you can use Fibonacci almost like a joker that saves the day. From the recent peak of $375.47 on June 11, 2025, the stock has been pulling down. First, it corrected down to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, around $337. Then it tested the 0.21 Fibonacci level and is now moving inside a short-term correction channel. On Friday it made an attempt. As you can see, let's draw our channel here. On Friday, for the first time, the stock managed to push itself above the middle green line of the correction channel. But next week we will see whether this uptrend continues or if it turns back down from here. By checking the indicators, we can get a clearer picture. Although MACD signals are still in negative territory, the histogram has turned positive, showing that there is buying momentum. This might be an early signal, and I hope it continues. Look, on the MACD the blue line has crossed above the orange line. The RSI is in the middle zone, and I think this can continue. But I hope it does not rise to $359 and then suddenly turn downward. Let me put it this way, I really hope this upward move does not turn into another drop afterward. First, I expect to see the $359 level. Let me also zoom out the chart a little bit to make it clearer. If this breaks, we reach 359, then the historic high of 375, and after that 391. After that, with a retest, I expect we will continue higher. If 375 is broken, then 391, 404, and even $420 are the next possible levels for Visa. As you may have noticed, these kinds of breakouts happen before too. Corrections have taken place, but let me say, a similar structure has happened in these areas before. For example, between September 2, 2023 and March 22, 2024, the stock made a nice gain. In fact, it gained about 25%, but afterward, there were pullbacks and corrections. This time, as you see, it corrected not to the 0.5 Fibonacci level but even further, to the 0.61 level. But after making a double top test, it moved down here and came to where we are today. That's all we can say for Visa stock right now. See you in another Stock Valley video. Goodbye everyone.